feel it behind me. I feel it getting closer. Thump, thump. That's not footsteps. Then what is it? Don't give it a name. I don't wanna feel this fear, but it lives inside me. Every shadow looks the same. Every silence says my name. I don't wanna feel this fear, but it follows when I'm near. If I move, it becomes real. So I freeze and disappear. It's closer now. I can't tell how close. Don't listen to it. I'm not listening. I'm hearing it. The air is wrong. My skin feels it too. Don't run. I already want to. Why is it quiet? Because it stopped moving. That's worse, isn't it? Yes.